Hello, fellow travelers. Today, I want to talk to you about a force that has the potential to transform our lives, our communities, and the world at large. The power of connection. In a world that sometimes feels increasingly divided, where headlines are dominated by discord and challenges, it's easy to lose sight of the remarkable strength that lies in our ability to connect with one another. Whether it's through shared experiences, common goals, or a simple act of kindness, the threads that bind us together are more powerful than we often realize. Imagine a world where we prioritize understanding over judgment, empathy over apathy, and collaboration over competition. What if, instead of focusing on our differences, we celebrate the beautiful mosaic of humanity, recognizing that each individual brings a unique perspective and valuable contribution to the tapestry of life? Connection isn't just about the relationships we build with those close to us. It's about the bridges we create to reach across divides. It's about listening with an open heart, seeking to understand and finding common ground even in the face of disagreement. Think about the times in your life when someone reached out, listened, or extended a helping hand. These moments of genuine connection have a ripple effect. They inspire, uplift, and create a sense of shared purpose. In a world that can sometimes feel overwhelming, these connections become a beacon of hope, reminding us that we are not alone. Today, I challenge each and every one of you to be intentional about fostering connections. It starts with a smile, a kind word, or a small gesture of support. It's about embracing the diversity around us, and recognizing that, despite our differences, we share a common humanity. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, let us remember that the challenges we face are not insurmountable when faced together. Through connection, we can harness the collective power of innovation, compassion, and resilience to build a brighter tomorrow. In closing, I urge you to be the catalyst for change. Be the person who listens, who understands, and who builds bridges. Because it's through these connections that we can overcome the obstacles that stand in our way and create a world where unity, compassion, and understanding reign supreme. I urge us all to let's go out and make those connections that will shape a better future for all of us. To fostering positive connections with unwavering support, your companion on this journey.